Hello students and everyone, welcome back to class 6 maths on my YouTube channel. We will begin chapter 11 ratio proportion example sums on textbook page number 57. First example, flowers were distributed among the girls in equal proportions. Fill in the empty boxes. Girls and flowers are given in ratio form. First one is 3 upon 12. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. 3 get cancelled. So what will remain? Ratio will be 1 upon 4. So first one column you have to write the answer 1 upon 4. Number 3 on numerator and number 12 on denominator is going same table 3 and you are getting the answer the ratio form 1 upon 4. So all 4 columns should get the ratio 1 upon 4. Here what is given? Number of girls upon number of flowers in ratio form. If 3 upon 12 is equal to 1 upon 4. When you multiply 3 on numerator and denominator and you cancel 3 on numerator and denominator, you will get the answer 1 upon 4. And if you divide 3 upon 12 on numerator and denominator, you will get the answer 1 upon 4. It means that every girl got 4 flowers. The proportion of girls and flowers is 1 is to every 4. It is written as 1 is to 4 or their ratio is written as 1 upon 4. This is in figure and this is in words. It will be read as 1 is to 4. So last column, girls how much is there? 1. Then flowers will be 4. Because in first column, you got the ratio form girls and flowers 1 upon 4. All 4 columns, the ratio form must be 1 upon 4. So last column, you have to write 1 is to 4. Now we'll solve second one and third one rows and columns. Second one, girls are 5, you have to find the flowers if the ratio form is 1 upon 4. If the girls are 5, you have to multiply by 5 on both the numerator and denominator. That is 5 ones are 5 fours are 20. The ratio form should be 1 upon 4 when you multiply the same table. Okay. Now you have to multiply this. 5 ones are 5 upon 5 fours are 20. Cancel the 5 on numerator and denominator. If the girls are 5, flowers will be how much? 20. So on second column, you have to write 20 flowers. Now we'll solve third column. In third column, girls are not given, flowers are given 32. Okay. So you have to divide 32 by 4. 4 8s are 32. Now you have to take the same table head, that is 8 upon 32. 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 32. Okay, 8 get cancelled. So what will be the ratio? 1 upon 4. So girls should be how much? If flowers are 32, girls should be 8. So in third column, girls will be 8 if the ratio form is 1 upon 4. So all 4 columns after solving, I am getting the ratio form 1 upon 4. Now we will solve next example. Every student finds the ratio of his or her own age to that of his or her grandmother's. John's age is 10 years and his grandmother's 65. John said the ratio was 10 upon 65 for him. If you divide the number 10 and 65 by the same number 5, you are getting the ratio form 2 upon 13. The ratio form of 10 upon 65 is 2 upon 13. We will do second method. This is the first method. 10 upon 65 is going the same table 5. That is 5 2s are 10 upon 5 13s are 65. 5 get cancelled. So what will remain? What is the ratio? 2 upon 13. So the ratio form of 10 upon 65 is 2 upon 13. If you understood both the examples of ratio proportion on textbook page number 57, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.